Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra, the topic that is about integers. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, negative 19 go to the right. So we have like this. Next, I need to multiply both sides by number 3 because in this one we have number 5, number 4. So this is because we have number 3, we have number 4, we have number 4. So we want to create about the factorization from this number in here. So I need to multiply both sides by number 3. Next, we put negative 80 for the both sides. So now we can do about factorization in here. So this one and this one we can do about factorization by 3y. So that should be like this. This one and this one we can do another factorization by negative number 20. This one we have negative number 23. Now we have 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. We can do another factorization. And now we can see that negative number 23, they can be about negative number 1 multiplied by number 23 because number 23 that is about round number. So, or maybe it can be negative number 23 multiplied by number 1. So in this one we have two situations. So that means because we have two factors in here, this one we have 3x plus 4 equals to negative number 1 and 3y minus number 20 equals to 23, or maybe 3x plus 4 equals to number 23 and 3y minus number 20 equals to negative number 1. So we just concentrate about this one first, and this one we calculate, and we have s equals to negative number 5 over 3. This is about the fractions, so we need to reject, so we don't need to calculate y. Now if we go to this one, we have s equals to 19 divided by number 3, so we need to reject, so that means we don't have this one. Now let's go to the next one, that is about negative number 23 and positive number 1. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 1, and the second one we have negative number 1. So we need to accept about this one. About this one, we have negative number 23 minus number 4 over number 3. We have negative number 9. And the second one, that is about number 7. So we just have only 2 couple integers in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.